Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to replace Nissan Sentra side mirror, full guide. Start by gathering the replacement mirror, a screwdriver, a 10 mm socket, trim tool, and gloves. Remove the interior door panel carefully to avoid breaking clips, then locate the mirror mounting bolts and the electrical connector. Disconnect the connector, remove the bolts, and lift the mirror away. Keep fasteners in a small container so nothing gets lost during reinstallation. In this video, I will show how to replace Nissan Sentra side mirror, full guide. Use a trim tool to remove the triangular sail panel, exposing 3 mounting bolts and the electrical plug. Unplug the connector carefully while supporting the mirror with your other hand. Remove the bolts one at a time, keeping pressure on the mirror to avoid dropping it. Once free, angle the mirror out through the window opening and set it on a clean surface for comparison. In this video, I will show how to replace Nissan Sentra side mirror, full guide. Quick recommendation: keep a reliable water bottle nearby while you work, like the Oala bottle that seals tight and fits cup holders so you stay hydrated and focused. If you found this helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Check the description for the product link and other deals. Then now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to replace Nissan Sentra side mirror, full guide. Feed the mirror harness through the door opening and snugly seat the mirror against the door, then hand start all bolts to ensure alignment. Tighten bolts evenly to the manufacturer's feel, avoiding over-torquing. Reconnect the electrical plug and restore battery connection to confirm power, heating, and adjustment work. Reinstall the sail trim, verify there are no rattles, and adjust the mirror for safe driving.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.